today we are going to use a fun little accessory called a spin pin. These have been around for ages. I've had one since I was probably in middle school, but you can still buy them. You can get them on my Amazon storefront. You can get them usually at Walmart. I've even seen them at the dollar store. It's essentially almost like two bobby pins that are like attached and spun around each other to make a little spiral, but it's actually really easy to use. You can use it with a bun, you can use it with a French twist, you can use it in all kinds of ways, but essentially you're gonna have a very similar concept to when you would use a French pin, where you need to make sure you get some hair that is part of the style and you get some hair that is part of your base, and you're going to attach those together. So I would make sure that I get hair from my style in one side of the pin, hair from the base on the other side of the pin, and then spin, and spinning them in is going to attach the base of your style, the base of your hair and your style together. So what do we mean by the base and the style? If you're new and you've not seen one of my other videos, you might be asking that. So if this was our little bun, this hair is the base, this hair is the style. And when you're using a tool like this to finish, if you only put it into the style, it's gonna be loose and floppy. And if you only get it into the base, this is gonna fall out. So you wanna make sure you get it in both the base and the style. So let's try it with a bun.
So we're going to start with a bun style, and when you do the bun style, you want to make sure you twist your bun nice and tight, and then you hold it really securely to your head with the tail really tucked under. And then you probably can't tell, but I am spinning the pin in, touching half the bun, half the base where the tail ended. So then I'm going to pull it out, make it nice and loose, and you'll see some of the tail actually, some of my layers come out from higher up. You could fix those with another pin or just leave it like that because it would stay exactly like that, totally secure. To get it out, you just spin the pin back in the other direction. It is not scary, it does not get tangled, it does not get stuck, super easy to take out. Now we're going to do the French pin style, and this one you're just going to create your French pin just like you would if you were going to use bobby pins. I like to put my spin pin from the top and angle it down into the French twist to get a nice secure finish. You can't see it at all. It's like literally invisible. But then again, I just hold on to the style so that it doesn't start to fall apart as I undo it. Spin that pin back in the opposite direction that I spun it in the first place, and that's it. Easy peasy.
There we go. I hope that helps. I hope that gives you another accessory that you can try for putting your hair up in a gentle, low damage to no damage way. There's no reason that this should be causing damage. This little pin, it looks complicated, but it's surprisingly easy to use, and it is a great damage-free way to put up your hair that doesn't involve any hair ties. Thank you for watching today. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber here, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.